One of the more frustrating things about running a pro shop out of your school is the inventory management, just because of the amount of time that it takes. Hey folks, I'm Paul from Marshall Business Matters. Today we're talking about a couple of tips and tricks for managing your time better with your inventory out of your school's pro shop. Keep watching. So when it comes to managing your time better in regard to inventory out of your pro shop, I want you to remember economy of motion. Economy of motion. That is, try and get as much done in one fell swoop as you possibly can. There are certain tools that can help you with that. And today I just got a big shipment of mouth guards and mouth guard cases from Century Martial Arts. And I was going through the process of pricing these, and I thought I'd share how I price these things just to save me time, energy, and resources. So if you watch my video about buying in bulk, I'll go ahead and link that up here and down in the description below so you can go check that out. Remember what I said before, always try to buy in bulk as much as possible. I ordered I think a couple hundred mouth guard cases and mouth guards just because that was a shipping break for me. I knew that that would fit in one big box from Century and I'd save money on shipping in the long run. They're mouth guards, I'll sell them. But now I've got all of these blank mouth guard cases and I need to put price tags on them. So the tool I use is a zip gun or a price gun. Now the way this thing works, I'll show you here in the camera. You've got the ability to set various settings here. So I can set that to 389, 379, 399, 398. and so forth, and this will go out to 3 digits in either direction. And when you pull the little trigger here, it pops out a sticker. And on that sticker is the price that you plugged in. And this thing has a roll, I think, about 500 trigger pulls before you have to replace the cartridge of the various stickers. And so I get a big shipment like this from Century and I just slap. And I can go through a box of a couple hundred really quickly just by using a tool like this. I'll link to an Amazon purchase option for this down below, just in case you're looking for that. The other tool that I use to help me with economy of motion is a price tag gun. Now this one's from Uline. I'll link down to one from Amazon in the description below. But this works very differently. I'll show you as close as I can to the camera. This right here, you can see, is a hollow needle. It's a hollow needle, and when you pull the trigger on this, it forces that little plastic thread through the hollow needle, and then when you complete the depression, the plastic thread goes from this orientation to this orientation. And you've seen these in shops all over the place. You might just not have realized it. You get yourself a tag like this. You put the price tag, you put the price on that tag. The needle goes through the hole on the price tag. You take the item that you want to tag, say for an example a uniform, stick it through the fabric. And now that price tag is affixed to your garment. It's a very tiny hole. This is a really useful tool. What I do is I lay out, when I get a big uniform shipment, I get shipments of 50, 100 uniforms at a time. I'll lay out all the jackets, I'll do all the price tags, and then I'll just clunk, 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 clunk. And these two tips, these two tricks, I should say, really help me power through big quantities of inventory very quickly. Now this thing, I use this thing for just about everything. I mean, if you look around my pro shop, you'll see that just about everything is tagged with the price gun. Everything from weapons, you can see my little price tag right there, to rebreakable boards. Again, price tag right there. And it's super simple. It's super easy. You just clunk, and now you're tagged. You can really churn through a lot of inventory really quickly with these two devices. That's it for today. Just a couple of quick tricks and products that help me with economy of motion and inventory management. Saves me time, energy, and resources, which of course equals money. Time that I'm not spending here doing inventory in the Pro Shop is time I am spending prospecting, working on leads, producing marketing materials, and so forth, all things that bring students into my school. Thanks for watching.